Hello guys, I'm Paris Diopsulia and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, markets falling and then recovering in the second half, right? Bank Nifty definitely showing a very good recovery, but not so much for Nifty, right? Nifty still hasn't shown a lot of recovery. But what can we expect for tomorrow, right? Is this a bear trap? Are the markets gonna fall more, or are we gonna recover tomorrow itself, right? So that's the very big question. So first of all, talking about Bank Nifty, if you see, right, Bank Nifty went down, as I said, yeah, in yesterday's video, right, below 830 is where you guys can go ahead and take a short trade, right? As you guys can see, from there, markets just falling down till 43,500, right? I said that 43,700 to 43,500, this whole range will act as a support, and as you guys can see, 43,500 has acted as a good support, right? So over here. Now, if you see, right, a lot of anybody who would have created short positions has created, anybody who has created long positions has created long positions somewhere near in this candle, right? Most probably, right? And they have kept their stop losses at 43,480 to 500, right? This whole range of 20 points, right? So this is a very crucial trend. So tomorrow, if you open with a gap down and maybe sustain over here for a bit and then break down, we can see a very trending expiry on the downside. Easily, at least we can see 200 points move till 43,300 on the downside, right? If we go down, like straight go down below 43,500 after opening, then most probably things will be a little bit volatile. But yeah, then also things will be a little bit bearish. So you can keep a bearish bias and short calls if we go below 43,500, because a lot of people have kept their stop losses over here. And if the market goes down from it, then we can expect a good trending expiry, at least up to some level in Bank Nifty tomorrow, right? On the upside, a lot of people have kept their stop losses at 44,000, right? Today's high, because today's high was near 44,000. So a lot of people would have, decided that, okay, I'll keep my stop loss over here. This is also around level. So until and unless we go above 44,000, we cannot expect a trending expiry. One thing that could happen is that we open with a very big gap up somewhere near 43,000. 43,900 to 44,000, somewhere near 43,900. And if we sustain near 44,000 itself after opening for some time and then break out, then we can expect a very trending expiry. We can easily expect 44,200, 44,300 also, right? Because then what will happen is that anybody who would have shorted in this down move, right, now they will get trapped, right? And that's why, and then we could see a very trending expiry again till 42,400 at least, right? 44,200 at least, right? Talking about Nifty, if we see Nifty over here, yeah, first of all, talking about Bank Nifty, if we open flat, then most probably we'll see volatility, because in this range, things will be volatile between 43,500 and 44,000. This 500 point range will see a lot of volatility. So then there really is not a lot of trades that you can take over here in the middle, right? Now talking about Nifty has taken support from 18,120 to 115 on the downside. So a lot of people have kept their stop losses at this low. Some would have kept at 18,130, right? So once we start going below 18,120 tomorrow, maybe after opening with a gap down, then we can expect again a trending expiry. But really, there is not a lot of like a proper level that we can get over here. So what you guys can do is that as we start moving down, you guys can trail your stop loss down and down and down till until and unless the trend reverses, right? So like, if something like this is made, right, when Nifty breaks the previous swing, then you guys can go ahead and exit. Until then, you guys can carry your short positions if you open the gap down and cross 18,120, right? Talking about Nifty over here, Nifty has closed at a very crucial level of 18,200, right? Nifty broke 18,200 and now it has closed somewhere near there. Tomorrow, say if you open somewhere above 18,120 but below 18,200 and just stay for some time over here, then any side we break in the second half, right, either on the downside or on the upside, you guys can go ahead and take a trade. On the upside, you can easily get a target till 18,270 to 270, 270 to 265 on the upside, right? Because that is from where the selling has started. So we could see some sort of a resistance, Nifty taking some sort of a resistance from 280 to 260 levels over here on the upside. So yeah, again, as I said, If we open somewhere in this range of 18,200 to 120 and just stay over here till the second half, then in the second half we could see trend on either side of the market, and yeah, that is when you guys can go ahead and take a very good trade. If we open with a gap up, then things will be again a little volatile because there are resistances on the upside. There is 18,280, today's high of 18,300, and all these levels, right? So these levels will act as a resistance, and because of which things could get a little bit volatile, and then there is really not much trade that you guys can take. Although if you are an option seller, then you guys can go ahead and make a strangle over here, or maybe 18,300 on and 18,200 on the downside, because then Nifty could pretty much be in this range, or 18,150 and 18,300, because then Nifty could be pretty much in this range. But if you see any signs of movement on any side, right, that price action is becoming bearish by every swing, right, then you guys can go ahead and exit your position. Do not be very hesitant to just carry your position till the end, because tomorrow is an expiry, right? And you would think that, okay, markets, the premium has to anyways go to zero, so I'll just hold. No, if you see any sort, that the premiums are getting out of hand, just exit your position. There will be many more trades that you guys can get in the future, right? So yeah guys, that was it for tomorrow. But if you see, right, both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, selling has come, but there is no follow up, right? Bulls have again tried, but if you see, right, over here, if we open the gap down, then maybe we could see some sort of a sell off on the downside. But as I said, again, sell off should be fast, because bears are always fast. If the bears will not be fast, bulls will again take over, and then we could see a new all-time high probably in a few days, by the end of this month, right? So yeah, keep that in mind and trade. And yeah, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.